Welcome back, guys. In today's video we're going to transform my rusty bike into this. So it's time to clean the engine. Have a look how it looks before. Have a look how dirty it is. We're going to give it a good clean and hopefully it will look perfect after. So we're going to pressure wash it first.
One hour later.
Oh, this is so satisfying to do. As you can see, look at this. The difference in thickness is massive. I got a temperature gauge on the cap. This is a higher rating cap, 1.8 bar compared to 1.1 bar from the standard. So we got upgraded cooling. Check this out, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. As you can see, we have almost finished restoring this bike and we are running out of space in my garden. I'm gonna polish the frame, I changed the casing. The casing is looking fresh, no more leaks. Everything is basically new. I'm trying to buy a new muffler, but don't tell Alina. She already heard because she's killing me because I spent so much money on this bike. Are you killing me?
No, no on the video.
We're in trouble. So we have received the next project. Guess what it is? hold the camera, baby. I want to give it a start. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to check our other videos and give us a big like and a comment.